On energy production, most boiler failures are attributed to fatigue at highly stressed components in a power plant. The fatigue monitoring system continuously acquires temperature and pressure data and calculates the current fatigue of the boiler components by displaying them online. With a correct real-time evaluation of the components, FMS helps to prevent damage and optimizes the maintenance strategies that improve components' lifetime. FMS Diagnostic Services provides a better understanding when boiler components already reached a replacement level, recognizing high wear operation modes, and informs on actual component status. With almost 20 years of experience and more than 120 projects worldwide, our customers have transparency on component fatigue status through continuous documentation of component fatigue behavior, reduced costs due to utilization of component material reserves, avoidance of sudden component fatigue failure, reduced unplanned outage days, extended boiler inspection intervals, and a TÜV SÜD certification. Will your project be next?